What I say me mention my name?
I will call him again, nothing fit do. Nothing fit do.
I beg, bros, excuse me.
Bros, call my phone for me.
Excuse who?
Nothing fit do.
Hey.
This early morning, now me want put for trouble. I'm not ready. My guy, mo follow the other road, na trouble to this side.
I bet man I fight there.
My brother, instead of me to follow that side, enter problem. Make I follow this backyard road. Ah. You remember this man?
Who be that?
This Yoruba man house now.
Okay.
Yes.
We get big belly.
Yes. If you go the man house now, lie down, greet her, he go give you rice.
You mean that?
And meat. Now this copper.
Hi.
And the reason why I go just go join her.
Make we dey go.
You better say I chop rice than to go enter trouble. If you don't know.
Sabinus, make we dey go.
I beg wait. Rice shop pass trouble.
This man. You say you wan go meet her. Go meet her now.
Oga Sabinus.
Ah, no, don't even first me call like that, sir. You get people serious to chop this rice. So.
Which can ask this work on rob when not come out?
Hey!
When I tell you no get better information, they go call me information.
Baba mo dey come here for police go come here.
People, me are the very. They are the squad. Make we shoot these people one again.
Enfin.
Ah, bros. Why don't know?
Shay.
Bros, you don't already shoot us before now. We don't die already. Any need to shoot again? Bros, if you shoot us again now, we will not go rest in peace well. Oh, you already shoot us one, and I don't go lie for you.
Now you go rest in peace.
Bros, good afternoon. How's the family, bros?
No worry. When I don't shoot this one, when you reach there, you go see the family.